Hi, my name is Jennifer Briggs, and I am the inventor of the drain wig. See, we invented it out of necessity because we have 5 daughters, and including myself, there's a lot of hair in this house. We have lots of long hair, and it is everywhere. It's in the car, it's on the floor, our vacuum, and in our drains. The drains would clog very quickly. Every month we would be cleaning out the drains. One day I was standing in my shower and I looked down and there was this massive, disgusting ball of hair. This disgusting, massive wad of hair. And we thought, okay, there's gotta be an easier way. The name is Drain Wig. All you need to do is stick it in your drain. The drain wig is universal to any standing shower drain. It's quick and easy. It removes and installs in seconds. It's green. You're not throwing down hazardous chemicals down the drain. And it's low maintenance. You remove it and replace it between 1 to 3 months. Chemicals are corrosive to your pipes and harmful to the environment. To call a plumber, it's $80 to call a plumber to come to your house and remove the clog in your drain. So the drain wig is a simple and inexpensive solution to prevent drain clogs.
With Keepies, you can turn your bowls, cups, and mugs into vacuum-sealed containers. Keepies works on glass, ceramic, plastic, and stainless steel. To ensure a long-lasting vacuum seal, the rim of the container must be smooth. Make sure there are no chips, cracks, jagged edges, or seams like these, which can allow air to escape. If this is the case, we recommend you use a different container. Before sealing, use a wet paper towel to wipe the rim of the container to remove any food in the way. Also make sure the lid itself is clean. To vacuum seal, simply place Keepies over the container and press the clear membrane. Now you have created a leak-proof vacuum seal. To release the seal, place your thumb on the handle and your finger under the lid next to the rim of the container and pinch. You can see the seal release and air rush back in. If the clear membrane appears too loose, just run it under hot water or place it in the top rack of the dishwasher, and it will tighten right back up again. Keepies can be neatly stacked and stored in the pantry, freezer, or refrigerator, and also nest together for compact storage.